So Highland Blooms is one of my all-time favorite prints. It's actually exclusive to Sallie Tomato right now. It is not licensed anywhere else, which is so fun. It was inspired by more loose florals, so I really wanted to highlight like the more wild flowers that you find when you're traveling through Scotland and through the Highland area. So I know it's a little different than my previous prints, but I love this idea that it's like wild and untamed, and so that's what makes it one of my absolute favorites. So for Highland Blooms, I would probably go with gold hardware or an antique finish, just because I think those pair so beautifully with the print. I could see it becoming like a side bag or a cute purse, something that you carry with you that you want people to stop you and say, wow, that print is so unusual and so beautiful, where did you get it? A cute like toiletry bag would be so adorable, just having something like a carry-all case like for traveling and things like that. That could be so cute. I can't wait to see what everyone creates with their beautiful Highland Bloom cork. I hope that you have so much fun playing around with it, and I would love to see all of your beautiful creations. I hope you have fun this month with it.